Good morning, students. Welcome to online classes. In class 12, running unit 11, alcohols, phenols, and ether from today. Alcohols are the derivatives of alkane and benzenes. Phenol is the derivative of benzene. When alkane RH from alkane, hydrogen is replaced, substituted from OH. Then the compound formed is called as alcohol. Similarly, from benzene, this is 6H6. If one hydrogen is replaced from OH, then the compound formed is called as phenol. And if one hydrogen atom, that is hydrogen atom of alcohol, is replaced by alkyl group, then the compound formed is called as ether. It is ether. That means alcohol, phenol, and ethers. Phenol is the derivative of benzene. And alcohol is the derivative of alkane. Such introduction you have already studied in previous classes. Now, classification of alcohols. Alcohols are classified on various grounds, such as haloalkanes were classified on various grounds in same manner. Classification of alcohols. Alcohols are classified on the basis of number of OH group present in the organic compound. This is the carbon. If only one OH is present in the compound in alcohol, then it is called as monohydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohol. If two OH groups are present in any organic compound, then that is called as dihydric alcohol. It is called as dihydric alcohol. In the same manner as in haloalkane. Now, we are talking about further base such as allylic alcohol. Allylic alcohol, that means when OH group is present beyond one carbon and alkyl group, that is double bonded compound, alkene groups are also present, then the compounds are called as allylic compounds. Similarly, next ground, primary, secondary and tertiary, you have already studied. When functional group is present on CH2, then it is called as primary alcohol or primary haloalkane, as in primary haloalkane, you have already studied. If functional group is present on CH, like this one, then it is called as secondary alcohol, it is primary alcohol, and it is secondary alcohol. Well, functional group is present, that is OH is present on such compound which contain 3 alkyl group like this one, it is called as tertiary alcohol. In same manner as I have already told, in same manner as in haloalkane, primary haloalkane, secondary haloalkane and tertiary alcohol, similarly, in the same manner, primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol, and so on. Now about ether. Classification of ethers. Ethers are classified into 2 categories. They are called as symmetric ether and symmetric ether is also called as simple ether. And second one, asymmetric ether, also called as mixed ether. Now what is symmetric ether? When both the alkyls attached in ether are similar, then it is called as symmetric ether or simple ether, such as CH3O CH3, methoxymethane or dimethyl ether. While if both are different, such as ROR dash, one is the CH3 and another is C2H5. Both the alkyls are different. It is called as asymmetric ether or mixed ether. As I think so, there will be no problem to understand about such classification, because all these topics I have already explained in my previous unit in haloalkanes and haloarenes. In same manner, alcohols are also classified. Now, about nomenclature of alcohols, I have already told about all the rules applied for the nomenclature in previous unit, that is haloalkane and haloarene. And on same rules, names of organic compounds are written either they are ether, alcohol, haloalkane, carboxylic acid, or any group. On the basis of all these rules, all those rules you can name the names, you can learn the names of organic compounds given in your table, and if any problem is being created before you, then you can ask without any hesitation with me on my given number or in classroom. Basically, as I think so, problems may solve in classroom, that is very easy manner, because in class you can ask anything without any hesitation in detail to detail. And now we will talk about in text question given in the chapter, that is on page number 320 in next day, and I will solve about all the in text questions. Thank you very much. See you again.